Hi, hello everyone. This is Mimi from the blog No Money Honey, where I teach you everything about fashion and style when you really have no money. Hold your hands up if you're like me. Hi, girlfriends, boyfriends, nice to meet you. But today this video is about something that I have gotten and I'm really excited about. It's the Nyx This is Milky gloss. It's limited edition and it's an extremely new release, and I'm super excited about this because I never get anything new release, so yay. I haven't tried these yet. I haven't even opened them yet, so let's see what they look like swatched on my hand. I have the colors, this is Milk and Honey, which is this nude color. And I've also got the color Lilac Splash, which is obviously lilac. So I'm wearing no blush and nothing on my lips, just my base makeup and some sparkly eyeshadow with, glitters, nudes, nude, because I really want these lipsticks to show up. So let's do light to darkest. So this was the color that I'm thinking that I'm going to be wearing today if I like it, but let's open this up and swatch on my hand first. It's an average bottle. I think it's glass. It might be plastic frosted glass bottle. Ooh, I'm glad that they've made a thinner doe foot for this because I really didn't like the thick ones that have been all the rage past couple of years. So this is Milk and Honey. And I don't know if you can see it, but it is nude. It's just clear. It's pretty clear. For me, it's gonna be pretty on my lips. But I'm not gonna put that on my lips just yet. I'm gonna swatch the other one first for you. So this is Lilac Splash. Does that have a smell? Very faint smell for NYX. Usually NYX, I don't like the perfume in NYX Cosmetics, but this one, not a lot. It smells like sugar. So let's try this one. This is Lilac Splash. Oh, that's pretty. That's so neutrally purple tinged. I might end up wearing this one today. I'm not sure, but let's start with the light one. See what that looks like on my lips. Hold on, I forgot a tissue. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first one I'm going to swatch on my lips is Milk and Honey. That's this beige one again. I have a mirror right there in case you're wondering what I'm looking at. Set it up so I can see. It's clear. It's pretty though for clear. My complexion and darker, this will not be so white on your lips because of the beige tint. But it's clear. Nice formula, not sticky. Very moisturizing. Of course, it has that sugar scent. I actually like it. It gives a milky gloss to your lips rather than that high shine wattage gloss like 1996. My lips are flaky today. That's not usually a problem I have. Okay, so the next one is Lilac Splash. This is a really pretty color. When I swatched on my hand, it was pretty. Let's see what it looks like on my lips. Wow. Okay. All right. I thought I was going to wear the other one, but I'm actually I'm going to wear this. I'm pleasantly surprised by this color because it's so pretty. It's a really good everyday color, and it surprisingly goes on pink on the lips. It's really, from someone that's my complexion, it's pretty pastel. I'm surprised. I'm not normally a lilac lipstick kind of gal. This is pretty. I like this one. Okay, I'm gonna put on some earrings and finish my makeup, show you what this looks like all done up. They are definitely lip glosses for the no makeup days, you know, when you want to look really natural. I like natural makeup, but I like to wear a little bit more than the no makeup look, especially around my eyes because I wear glasses and I really like my eyes to pop. I don't do a lot of wild colors because, you know, the frames cut them off, but on my eyes, but I do like color, I do like glitter, I do like sparkle like this. This is pretty, but I digress. I'm sorry, I'm too much. Okay, and this is my makeup for the day. It's very light, very natural, you know, just the way I like to do it. And I'm actually loving this NYX lip gloss. This is Milky. It's got a beautiful milky shine I really like. And again, it's not sticky for a gloss. I mean, it's about as sticky as a gloss is gonna get. And it makes no long wear claims whatsoever, so I don't think this is going to last very long on the lips, but it is very pretty. I imagine this would be really pretty over stains. If you like to stain your lips, you can put this on top as like to keep them from chapping off. But yeah, this is pretty. I'm really happy that I have something that goes with my Radiant Orchid Lilac blush that I have that's really pretty. I like this kind of colors. They're kind of pinky violet. They look good on my complexion. So that's my review and color swatches of the NYX This is Milky lip glosses. They have, I think, like 6 colors. I'll look that up. And if you want to know what else I'm wearing on my face, I have everything listed down below. And if you want to know where I got my blouse, I have that listed below also. And keep an eye out because I plan on making a fashion haul video and how to wear trends video for for the over 20s set, I mean 40s, 40s set. And it's gonna have this top in it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like, give me a thumbs down, and let me know how I can improve, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.